Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your D-Link AC2100 Wi-Fi router and just to show you how to connect it to the all cables and all stuff like that. So first thing we want is a power, and with a bundle that comes with this router there's this power cable. So first let's connect this power cable into the power source, and that simply goes for me like this. And next we'll need to locate the power source on this device, and it's on the back right here. You can see this yellow plug right here and the power right here. So let's connect it. Now our device should power on and this LED lamp indicates it. Next we want to connect the internet, and the internet source in this case is a Ethernet cable, and you can find one in the side of a bundle as well, but I'm using a different one because this one is just longer, but it's the same, it just do the same thing. So now let's plug in this thing on the back. Like this. And now our device is connected to the power and internet source, and we'll be able to begin its setup. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.